How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we are installing some authentic JDM parts. Just a couple things, couple small things, but really guys, it's all in the details. Small things matter. They make the biggest difference. First off, we are doing is these JDM Clear Corners. As you can see, they are an authentic Nissan product. You can see right there, Nissan Group, genuine part. Apparently these are from Nismo, offered in the States. These are the bump version, and what that means is, as you can see right here, it has a little bump kind of in it. So originally, before this bump version, if you look them up online, it'll say JDM Clear Corners with bump or without bump. Now, unfortunately, the ones that don't have the bump, the flat lights, those have been discontinued since like before 2011. And I'm really butthurt about that because I remember when I first got this car back in 2012 and getting on the forums, there were still the non-bump flat clear corners available to buy. Pretty much you could only buy them used at that point, but the forum was a lot more active. More people were selling and parting out, parts. And I had multiple opportunities to buy them. However, because they were discontinued at the time, they were going for like 60 to 80 bucks. And my dumbass at the time was like, that's way too much for little side marker lights. I'm never buying that, it's dumb. And I fully regret that. Fully regret it. So now I can only buy these bump versions now because those are the only ones pretty much available, unless if you're constantly like searching on eBay or whatever, and you happen to come across real authentic JDM non-bump clear corners, hop on it, guys. Buy them. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Just buy them. So what I ended up doing instead was, the car originally came with the stock OEM amber clear corners, and the previous owners, whichever one it was, put a black tint over them, and it looked good. The black looked good. However, obviously when you turn the lights on, it'll show amber. I didn't like that, so I then went, and I still have them, I purchased these. These are just like really generic eBay cheap clear corners. You kind of tell they're like the JDM style. They're pretty dirty right now, but they have like that kind of textured look on the inside of them to give that look. However, this face is just clear, so when you put the LED bulb in, obviously you would only see the bulb lit up, and it really didn't look good. Honestly, didn't like the look, but it was black. It was kind of going for the theme that I wanted. And I rocked those for years and years. And you can see I had the gasket maker around it because they kept on fogging up and getting water inside of them. But that's what you get with cheap lights. So I rocked those for forever. And then I went to these. Then I bought these lights. These eBay Clear Corners. And I'll put the link up in the video on these. Those are the ones that it has like the two like LED tubes and then like one or two on the side. I really like the look. Obviously I like the black because again, that's a theme, that's kind of the color I wanted, but those LED tubes were really disappointing. The first set of lights that I had didn't even work. Again, eBay guys, cheap lights. Then the second set, still the LED tubes, they gave off like a greenish color, and I didn't like it. It doesn't look good. Really disappointed. I thought they'd be really bright white, like how, you know, you would think. And then after maybe even a month, they started flickering. But obviously during the day when I don't have the lights on, it looks good because it's black. But at night, it doesn't look good. So now we have these. These JDM Clear Corners. And honestly, I love this look so much better. Kind of matches my headlights because my headlights still have that chrome, you know, color to it, clear color. Absolutely love it. I am so happy with how this looks. And when you turn the light on, it even looks that much better. And I'll show you why. This is what I was going for, as you can see. The whole thing lights up because of that textured color that's on the glasses you can see here. The whole thing lights up. And no guys, these aren't broken and the LEDs aren't broken. In this light here, there's actually a little divider piece that blocks light from coming all the way through. I'm sure I could probably pop these open, Dremel that out to get the light fully in there, but honestly, I like this a lot better. But this is how they look. Yeah, that looks really good, guys. And as you see, because of this textured look, it really, I guess, projects the light all the way through to light the whole side, you know, side marker on, instead of like those eBay ones, you would only see the bulb, nothing else was lit up. So this actually like projects the light all through it. Looks a lot better. And being obviously an OEM part, fit great. These won't fog up. They won't have, you know, water inside of them. Highly, highly recommend, guys. So, highly recommend that upgrade. Ditch the eBay stuff, guys. Get OEM, get genuine JDM. It's worth it. And here's how it came. It comes with a connector you can use. I use my stock ones and I'm keeping these as extras. And they also have included, they also come with amber bulbs in them if you want to still rock the orange look. Obviously, I put an LED bulb in it instead. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, install that one real quick. All you do is obviously pop these out. Just kind of reach in there or just pull on it. And here, guys, you can see this one better. As you see, the two like LED tubes. And on the side, just really disappointed with it. And I had to use two hands to get that shit out. That was in there a lot tighter than I thought. The driver's side was actually a hell of a lot easier. And then yeah, you just pop these in like that, good to go. Also, guys, quick advice. When you are installing these LED lights, make sure you put them in and test them before putting everything back together, because these are, I forgot the specific word, but they're specific to which way you put them. So luckily I got it right on the first try, but just, you know, to make it life easier, put them in, turn the lights on, make sure they work, and then put it all back together. Just like that, it's in. Clicks right in. These things have amazing fitment. Oh my God, they're so good. OEM, guys, do it. Then the last thing we're installing is these Nismo valve stem caps. Again, Nissan genuine part. Keeping it genuine, guys, keeping it real. These were only like 11 bucks. Figured it'd be a nice little upgrade. Nice little added appearance thing. The valve stems I have right now are just these ones I had from AutoZone. These little chrome cap ones. And I really do love the look of them because it, you know, it breaks it up. matches my chrome center cap still. But these Nismo ones I think will look really good. Here we go. Pretty small. And we're gonna put that on right there. Ooh yeah. I like it. Black so it matches the wheels. Little silver chrome lining to still match the center cap. I like it. I'll do the other side so you guys can see it better. Yeah, I'm happy. Like I said, something a little different. Alright, hope you guys liked that quick little video. Again, just a couple small upgrades that really make the biggest difference, because from here it looks really good. It looks really good. I actually do love the little bump because it kind of just flares out. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just makes it a little aggressive. I like that. Yep. Again, guys, buy OEM, buy genuine parts. In the end, it's so worth it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces. Didn't even get to